In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kanban view on Monday.com. So right here, you can see this is the information on my marketing board. So here at the top, you see plus icon. Just hit that and then select Kanban. So let's just wait it to load. So all the stuff that you can see here on the Kanban view, it definitely depends on the information from your main table. So where did we get this information? From the main table. So you see we have the project 1, 2, 3, the status done working on it, stock, the date, company email, and so on. Here on the Kanban, you can also view that. So for the project one, these are the information, the date, the status, the company, the name. So once you hover that, you can see what kind of information it is. So if you hover this one, this is a due date. If you hover this one, this is the name. If you hover this is the company. And you can also drag this if you wanted this to be on the working on its status or on the stock and so on. And that's about it. That's how to use Kanban view on Monday.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.